Hey guys, so Oukitel has quietly announced the successor of the Oukitel WP35 Pro, and it is called the Oukitel WP35. Anyway, some of its top specifications and features are revealed, and I'll share them with you guys in this video. So without further ado, let's dig in. So this device is going to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus 5G processor, which means this is going to be a 5G rugged phone. The device has a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD wall-drop notch display. Currently, its refresh rate isn't reviewed, but I'm expecting it to be perhaps 90Hz or maybe 120Hz. The display is protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone utilizes 12GB RAM and it has 256GB internal storage. According to some sources, the device is said to have an 8GB RAM variant, which is going to be cheaper than the 12GB RAM variant. In the camera department, the device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 64MP primary sensor followed by an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera and a 2MP macro lens, while the front-facing camera is 32MP. This device is also set to ship with the latest Android 14, which is nice. The phone packs a large 11,000 mAh battery and is expected to support 33W fast charging, but that has not been officially confirmed yet. And finally, the device is said to weigh about 360 grams and it is said to have a thickness of 15.3mm. So these are just the few top details of the upcoming Oukitel WP35. Like I mentioned earlier, it's expected to launch in May, and according to legit online sources, the device will launch for an affordable price. So this is the details that I have for you guys. What do you think about the Oukitel WP35? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.